Action.
Okay. I wanted to watch football.
Look at you. Let's check it out gently. Don't go this way gently.
Go check who's on the
This is my sweet cream now. And deposit it.
Don't hurt my daughter. Don't hurt my daughter. Please don't hurt her. There's the money.
Hey.
Just take it easy. Just take it easy. There's the money. Okay. Stand up. Get up. Hurry up, old man. Move it. Move. It's okay. Move it. Go down. Go down like this. I'm down, sir. Don't look me in the face. Were you not told you were coming to the house of a soldier? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you?
I have tried, but I can't. Ebube has tried all he could as well. Sissy can't walk. I have to end it now. Ebube, I love you. I love you so much. If I can't be your wife, I can die to be your guardian angel. I love you, Ebube. I love you, Ebube. I love you.
Wait, please. Obim, wait, Ugom. Obim, Ugom, ma. Obim, Ugom.
Why am I having this awful dream in this hot afternoon? I hope all is well with my love. This dream scares the hell out of me. I think I have to go and see Grandma. Uncle, I am finished. I will never be a happy man again. My joy and happiness has been taken away. I wish I could go with her.
Don't talk like that. If you go with her, what will you gain? You'll be a disappointment to love. But if you stay alive and avenge her death, then you'll be a hero of love.
Uncle, how can I do that?
Presently, I don't know. But what I know is that to understand and fulfill your mission on earth, you need to understand yourself. So for now, pull yourself together.
Thank you so much, Uncle. I'm so sorry I've been too emotional about the death of my love. And I forgot to say anything about the robbery incident in your house.
I understand. I'm a soldier. No civilian can take my life.
I wonder what I would have done if they had killed the only uncle I have.
Nobody can. I only bother about you. And you need to be in a very good frame of mind.
Honestly, Uncle, I am now a sadist. I can never be happy again. Igoma is the center and source of my happiness.
Why don't you consider joining the army? You have a good heart. You have a very strong heart. You'll make a very good soldier. All it requires is go to the academy in Zaria. Before you know it, you're done.
You are my role model and I have love for the military because of you. But I wish to study law as the only surviving child of my parents after the death of my siblings in the accident, so that the manager can take care of my father's business.
Law is not a bad idea. To help you understand how things work. That's okay.
Thank you so much, Uncle, for always standing by me. I wonder what I would have done without you.
I'm sorry, my love. If I can't be your wife, let me be your guardian angel. I love you so much, and I'll always be with you.
Why? You've made me a sadist for the rest of my life. Please let me join you.
You will, but not now. You have a great task ahead.
No, I want to join you. No. Ugam! Ugam! Ugam!
Attention everyone! Attention oh! Attention everyone! Attention people of Egbelu! There is a meeting tomorrow at the village square by 8 a.m. Everyone present is vital. Both the old and the young ones are needed here because of the case of the robbery attack in this village. Please tell everyone that is not around should come to the village square by 8 a.m. tomorrow. I have spoken, oh.
Onye kanga koro. Onye ga-aghọta ịfụnanya m oyibo obi m. Ugomma m mụ na gị ga-ebi. Onye kanga koro. Onye ga-aghọta ịfụnanya m oyibo obi m. Ugomma m mụ na gị ga-ebi. Egbeluna wants peace and unity. After the death of Ugom, Egbelu will never know peace. The blood of Ugoma will tear this kingdom apart. There will never, ever be peace in this kingdom. Never. Mamu monagi gebio.
Uncle, these people are cheating on us. These people are really cheating us. They are very cunning and tricky. They want peace and unity in Egbelu. That's understandable. They formed a vigilante or neighborhood watch, and Emadandi is the head. They also formed a United Egbelu Women Association. Mrs. Beatrice is the chairlady. They finally formed United Egbelu Men Association, and Mr. Madugu is also the chairperson. All these three people are from the six-legged Arab descendants. No one from our side. Does it mean our people are just good for vice or second fiddle?
There's sense in what you're saying. To be honest, I never thought of it like that. But we must not be fast to conclude. We must approach with caution because we don't know what the hair inside the nose will turn into. But I like your observation. It shows you're smart and very observant. Keep on following up.
Number one. Imadandi.
Bosu.
Your head in your neck. Who say make your beans no done, your rice no go ever done, you know understand?
The grace.
We mount you 247. Baba, Odogu no be guy name.
Now the point be that. Makachi. You hear me? Now the point be that. My own Odogu na follow come. You understand? All of a sudden, everywhere now, people don't answer. Odogu, this one, Odogu. People don't deserve her. Very soon, all of people that answer Odogu don't deserve her. Now slap. They go, they collect. Better slap. Una know my life. As they talk about sincerity. As they talk true. Now true, why I talk? My sincerity, that made them pursue me come up for soldier work. I see something, good. I talk am. You understand? They sack me. I can't go meet my guy. I say, okay, why? The man talk come here, he talk go there, then they don't make any point. But I find out the truth. Now know the truth. My guy, they jealous me, say that they call me Odogu. Now they call him Odogu. He start to the jealous. But God works in special ways. When I come up for army, when I come village, you welcome me. CSO.
One time now, sure. They know your weight now.
The whole village know my weight and they know my sincerity.
Yes, now.
That's okay, come become our CSO, I become CSO.
Who they take her?
Now make me hold the village strong like this.
Oh.
I hold the village strong and nothing go happen.
Yes, now.
Understand? If one way close, another way go open. I be
so.
God. I be God.
See, Baba, Ororo dey your head, I swear. We want you 247.
No even go there. No talk that one at all. I don't hear and tire. Ororo dey your head. Ororo dey your head. How Ororo no go dey my head? You don't forget say before my mother and Ororo she dey sell.
No be lying.
And when I dey small, I dey walk Ororo for head like this. They walk Ororo. Ororo never supposed to fool my body.
You were born inside Ororo.
You understand? If one people face herself, my name supposed to be Ororo. Ororo dey my head. I mean they got people Ororo now.
I tell you.
Ororo no fool my head. I mean they sell Ororo give people now. You understand?
They won't take am.
Hold on, wait. Under my command, the way this village go safe, even governor go come and give me award.
I dey tell you.
Mona wait. Mona wait too.
Man, rich.
Man.
Don't worry, we're gonna we all of them 500. Yeah. Don't worry.
Copy and paste.
We'll carry them to sit down, poto. Let them wait.
What else they do?
That you went for a military training that was not even accepted does not confer on you the rights to wear a military uniform. That you're the head of the vigilante or neighborhood watch does not give you the rights to wear a soldier's uniform. A uniform I retired in after 35 years. But for one thing, I would have handled this matter in a more grievous way. Now go home, take this off immediately. This is a soldier's uniform. And it's an insult on the military for you to wear it. You're a bloody civilian. Go home and remove it. Immediately.
Yes, sir.
Commander, what is this one now? Number one, what's in the soap now? Eh? Who be that man? What? Because they call her corner. Now you go give her morale, give her guts to they talk to people in here. You look you finish number one, the time you put uniform. What's your warrior now?
I don't get that.
Huh? Number one, na your face are the look, oh. We didn't give her confidence to they talk to people in here now.
Baba Yo-Yo, now they talk like this. What else could give him confidence? Tell me what else? If not for the fact that he's a retired colonel in the military.
Now you go lock up.
Retired colonel OBDK. If not, which confidence you won't get? Can he fight me man on man or man to man?
For where?
I'm not gonna go remove all in it. Wait, oh.
What is up?
My mind is telling me something.
Number one.
My mind is telling me something.
They enter body. My nerves don't pay finish nearly for pay.
Small thing. So
me go comot military man. Oh boy, goes.
Now listen up. I have come to realize that there are thieves or a thief among you. Somebody or some people has the guts to come to my office and stole my money from this bag. Oh, you thought I wouldn't find out? You have forgotten I'm an intelligence officer. Now listen. I will not repeat myself the second time. At the count of 3, I want that person or group of people to step out, or else I will lock all of you in the guard room and you will remain there forever. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
1, 2. You stole my money? Did you steal my money?
I don't collect the money. Sharp. Before how they ask me that kind of question? How can go see me for this kind of thing? How you go see me now? What kind of thing? I don't know this kind of thing.
Where the pouch now? Where the pouch?
Pouch quoi? How I go collect pouch? I leave that pouch there and I just collect small money. We will tell who, but let me go talk about that thing.
Give my wish. Give my share.
Now I don't like this kind of thing. We go share the money for here.
You share for here now. You share. Give my share.
Wow.
Ahmed Farouk. Sir. Step aside. Abban Okon. Sir. Step aside. So the two of you had the guts to enter into my office to steal my money in my office. I tell you something. In life, you don't always get what you want or what you desire. It is not everybody that bought the form into the academy will make it as an army. If you must make it as an army, discipline must be your watchword. The academy is not a place for thieves. The two of you are hereby dismissed with immediate effect from the academy. And go back to the hostel, pack your things, and leave the camp immediately. Yes, sir. Move it! Bastards! Now for you, Dandy.
Sir.
Step forward. To be a soldier, you must be disciplined. The academy is not for cowards. It's not for people like you. Yes. If you must be a soldier, you must uphold secret, even with your life. And you will not be a pirate. Dandy, Emmanuel, you are hereby dismissed from the academy with immediate effect. Obey the last order. Now go to the hostel, pack your things, and leave the academy immediately. Move it. And for the rest of you, like this. And as an example to all of you, any one of you that repeats the same thing that they have done will join them without hesitation. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Now dismiss.
Look at what being truthful and sincere has landed me. Huh? So my dream of becoming a military man has ended. It has ended. For saying the truth and for being sincere, I've been dismissed from the army. And if I had kept quiet about the issue, my conscience would have judged me. Yes. To hell with my conscience, to hell with truthfulness, to hell with sincerity, to hell with being good. And for those that think conscience is an open wound, think twice. Think twice. And that was how they dismissed me from the military camp. For saying the truth. Imagine for saying the truth, they dismissed me from the military.
Now, truth don't cry for this nation. Just like that? But that was too bad now. How do you just dismiss you just because you talk truth?
Oh. My mind is telling me something. Hey!
Number one.
Oh. The picture is now clearer. So now so it happened. Hey! Now I know the truth. Do you know what my mind just told me now? My mind just told me that Colonel Obidike, retired, was the one that sponsored my dismissal from the military. Yes! Out of jealousy. And do you know why I became jealous? Because I'm not an Osu like him.
Oh, so now you dey think what you dey think. I know him before now. Now why you do that kind of thing?
Now I know the truth. No problem. I'm still dandy now. Is there no other dandy in this community? I'm still the one and only dandy, the Odogo of this community. If Colonel Obidike wants war, I'll give him war. If Colonel Obidike wants war between the Osus who are the outcasts and the Amadis, we'll give them war. We'll let him know that the Amadis are the ones in charge of this community. This is our community. Yeah, they will remain our slaves forever. We go run all the outcasts. We go run that come up for this village. Ola tell me.
Who born them now? Thank God say you know they see what you see. Dandy. You know they see am now.
Dandy Bosu, where you want me to start? Make you dey show.
They show. Na DVD now, you don't know.
I dey smart. You think I've been messing around in this village? They call you Colonel, whatever be the game. Today is your last day. Your blood will shout today. Shoot him. Now do this your words. Shoot him again! Shoot him again! What? It's no more than Dory. What's going to happen now? What is the war? You can't jump that plane. I must slide this man.
They came to attack me, so I shot them in self-defense. It's allowed by the law.
Another assassination attempt.
They barely know who I am. My only concern is the trauma they put my daughter through. I mean, I believe me, she has never had that number of gunshots in her life. That's my only worry.
By the way, where were those vigilante group? Or would they say they didn't hear the gunshots?
Everywhere. Nothing to worry your head over. They can't harm me. I'm only worried about a civilian like you. Pray they don't remember you.
Uncle, I have no business with them now.
Do I have business with them? You don't need to have business with evildoers for them to remember to attack you.
It's their cup of tea. If they remember me, I will remember them.
Oh, yellow face. You know, sir, I too believe you. I believe say you go deliver. See all this story where they talk since I don't just understand. I take apple. What's the apple?
I know they lie to you. I know they lie to you. Now they go carry you now. Eh? How can me go lie to you like this? As soon as that man house, the man will send us the house. As soon as they enter in room, as you enter there, see the man though. Open shot. To that girl will knock the man. I knock the man. I even knock him 4 times. Still not enter him body. If you know, the man just enter, open him pillow, carry pistol. Tau. To that can follow. Oh boy, as I see the thing, the man immediately want raise me. Next available die, Kwama. Sharply, next available flight. Otherwise, if I forgot me down, I don't carry anything now. It's my I empty. Baba.
Una shoot him. The bullets don't enter.
The bullet don't enter. Let's say the man don't carry on combo full in body. What's I go do? Baba? My fault.
So, as we talk like this now, your 2 guys, they don't die.
Utilo.
Confirmed.
Utilo.
No live their life.
Let me dey here now.
Hi. Yellowface, hear me very well. Hear me very well. You know, as you did so, only will be the evidence. As you did so now, you'll be evidence. So this stand where you stand so, for this my community, now it will be your last standing for this community. As I dey talk so, you go turn your back, waka comot for this community. No ever come back here. Yellowface, if you come back to this community, now me go kill you myself.
Why?
Because you be evidence. You be evidence. I go kill you if I see you for this community. You never come back here again. Did you hear me? Allow me to move.
Baba, anything for your boy.
Don't worry, anything I go to reach you through phone. No, they see face to face again.
You as tomorrow morning at the enter like
if you like, go Abuja. Come out for here now. Come out.
Buy one now.
No come back here. No come back this community. Yes, Chairman. So far, so good, sir. Yes, I'm still at the site, but the workers, they just left. It went well. Everything is fine, sir. But Chairman, please, my money, don't forget to send it, sir. I try.
It is done. It is done. You are now fortified. Spiritually, psychically, sanctified, fortified, strengthened, guided, protected, and equally blessed. The gods of this land, the ancestors are behind you, before you, by your left, by your right at all times. No mortal challenges you. No mortal challenges you and lives to tell the story.
Obago malo. Ezeafia bonye malo ogolo. Igbo funanya okwe. Naya bobidi. Thank you so much. I will forever remain grateful.
Thank the gods. But 1 minute. For the fact that you are fighting a just cause. Nothing will happen to you. Nothing. Your Deshi has no antidote.
You will hear from me, Naya Bogidi.
Go get him his clothes.
You won't know this. Wait, what are people doing on my father's land? I say, what are people doing on my father's land?
Oga, what do you concern with this land? Oga, you don't come on here now.
Come! You will butcher me here.
Who you be now?
See this man wire.
He said,
do you really know who you are talking to?
who are you? I swear if you come here, I will cut you to the wire, sir. Maybe you give us this work, oh.
If I catch the two of you, I swear, I don't go do the bam.
Oh, you're near here. I am near this side now.
I should be here. Today,
Naked wire.
You know that you are
I'm
jamming naked wire.
You want to know what the naked wire?
Get out of my house.
Get out of my house. Man. Hey, what is it?
Man, kill you there. I am not a lover boy. Wait, get out of my company. Come on, get out of my company. Anwar here. They've sent you to come and seduce me, eh? Ugoma is my first and only love. I will never allow any other woman into my life. Idiot.
Ebube! Ebube!
Uncle, good afternoon.
If that's it. This is totally unacceptable. Why would you take the laws into your own hands?
Oh, Uncle, I never took the laws into my hands.
Then what did you do?
They tried to enter my land. They tried to prevent me. They fought me and I fought back, harmlessly in self-defense. I never wanted to waste their life because I know the law. But they failed to understand.
They said you attacked them with a gun.
I will be degrading myself if I attack them with arms because they are too little for me to attack with arms. Only me what I do.
Okay.
If you're not a shame, and a shameful enough for that. Yes, and a shameful now. See them. See vigilantes. So if they see vigilantes, raise hand. All of them here go raise hand. See vigilantes, we're supposed to protect people. See them. So if armed robbers now enter this community, or bad people enter this community, come fight our people, how do I want to defend them? Mother tell me how I want to defend them. When it's only one person, they will be overpower all of them, even with their guns. And they shame.
Commander. Egwu na kwaba kwala n'egwu mmadu. Ihe akwa egwu soro ke egwu mmoka na agbana. Ebube wey we know before, no ebube wey we can't tell.
You're a very stupid boy. Sky, you're a very, very stupid boy. If not for one thing, I'll for shoot you here. I swear I go shoot you and nothing will happen. No, Ebube na robot. Now you go tell me about Ebube. Oh, now you go tell me about Ebube. But I don't blame you. Now Baba you are blamed. Baba you disappoint me. If all these on yourself don't even get level, I don't mind. But you particularly, Baba Yo, you disappoint me finish. You disappoint me. You of all people.
Number one, you yourself know now. You don't just carry give me number two as nothing. Eh? That people what would they talk about? Not the human being would they even talk about now. Say that guy don't pass what would they think. See, what's it be like this now? Eh? We'll find one better native doctor. Make cut full our body. If possible, say more go worry. Yes. Go out beside Juju, they will cut full our body, fortify us very well.
Commander, may I support waiting this guy they talk or waiting about.
Shut up, my friend, shut up. Shut up. You will never keep foul. So this guy waste money on you to make a cut to your body. Choma, calm down, eh? If I tell you everything we explain, give me before, say I hear am. Na lie, they lie. So I want you calm down now. Take your time, explain well. What you talk say happen when you reach Ebube house? What happen?
Ebube is a monster. He doesn't have feelings for women. At all. He even told me that he's a masquerade self. Ebube is no longer a human being. Ebube is no longer a human being at all. Yes.
Ebube no be human being again.
At all.
If I just come out direct, just tell me say na spirit I say you go meet now. Ebube no be human being. Say this one go talk rubbish. Say the other one go talk rubbish. You all are confusing me. What is going on here? He does not have feeling for women. Now gay? Is he gay? That aside, I have never seen him with anyone. He does not have any friend, and that's the reason why he sent you there to go and investigate for me. So that people when they close to him, I go first start with them before you know what you go happen to him. You came back telling me rubbish that his spirit or what they talk.
He even told me that he's a sadist. He told me that he's a sadist. I don't know what to do again. No.
He told you that?
Yes, now he's a sadist.
He told you he's a sadist?
Yes.
He said that? That was good. You should understand this game. Because I don't do this game a long time. You see, failure has excuses. You understand? Like you now, Choma, you're a failure. And when failure fails, failure looks for something to lay hands on. In order for them not to discover that failure fails. You failed, and I know that. You know what? Leave my house.
Leave which house? I want my balance now.
You said what?
I said I don't feel live here. I need my balance.
I go balance you before you collect your balance. God they punish you, they mad. Because I don't tell you me reform my money. What you deliver where they collect balance? Leave here, my friend.
I need my balance now.
Oh, you want me to balance you? You don't say no go tell me how. See person will collect balance. See him. After I go say me carry go Lagos, go city, go Ozu. Under village boy, no fit deliver. Go the best say me carry go city. Fair wire, fair jump. Well, wait, what is going on? What is really going on? Ebube. Ebube.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
Hello, am I on to one Ebube?
Yes. And who am I on to, please? DP of Egbe Central Police Station?
Yes.
Okay. What can I do for you, sir? Me? Wanted at the police station? When? I hope there's no problem, sir. Okay, no problem. I'll be there in a jiffy. So these people had the effrontery, the temerity, the guts to report me to the police. There's no problem. Olugo no mumo yaba no so. Mma agba ha ntị. Mma pia hezugbo tali mmụọ. Mma agba ha ose. Ha ekwalugo do no na.
So why didn't you call me when they came to arrest you?
I thought I was alone in all this.
You're not alone. Look, I know what transpired the day we went to do the introductory rites of Udoma. Huh? Now they're calling for peace and unity with hidden colors under it.
Now I understand that you're seeing things from my angle.
Well, now they want the matter in court. I'll pull all my contacts and make sure victory is ours.
Thank you so much, Uncle. I appreciate.
You don't need to thank me. Just be on the right side always. And let me tell you, Ulugo no mume.
Fellow elders, as I'm talking with you now, our women have been ordered to stop their good work on that land by this irresponsible son of us, Ebube.
Amadiwu, if you have any reasonable information, pass it to us. But I will not sit here and listen to you insult my brother's son. It is not right.
Obidike, are you aware I am the elders chairman in this community?
Amadiwu, are you aware that I'm a retired colonel of the Nigerian Army? That I served for 35 years. Are you aware?
You should talk to me with respect.
I said for 35 years. If you want to speak, talk like an elder. Not like Onyengono Ekemake. Talk from your head as a wise man. White hair is not a reflection of wisdom. You must speak like an elder. No, I will not. Don't tell me to come down. This is utter nonsense.
Allow him. That is how they've been behaving in this community.
Allow him, let him go.
Him and his so-called brother. That's how they've been behaving.
I said, let him go. Let us continue in peace.
As I was saying, before I was rudely interrupted, there is no more work going on that side. The matter has been taken to court till the court passes its judgment. Ebube has been excommunicated. Anyone found mingling with him in this community shall be blamed and will have nothing to do with us anymore.
Get it now.
Have I spoken your mind?
Hey, in there.
Hey, that's a baby Lukwenu.
Yeah.
Mon.
Yeah.
Mekano.
Yeah.
I left them at the meeting. And I've decided I will never go there again.
I even had they excommunicated me. And I'm even willing to excommunicate anyone that mingles with me.
Idiots. Do they know the gravity of what they're doing?
I'm not even moved a bit. I will avenge the death of Ugoma as long as I live.
For the meantime, I'll send 2 of my men to you. Don't go anywhere without them. Don't touch the gun. You can fight with your hands if need be, but don't touch the gun.
I understand.
They will arrive at your house this evening. As I said, do not go anywhere without them. Make them your friend or companion so that they will guide you.
Thank you so much, Uncle. You've always been my pillar of support.
My fellow women, since the matter has been taken to customary court, there will be no more work in the site. Just like our men said, Ebube has been excommunicated. And anyone found mingling with him will be excommunicated. So as an individual of Ebelu, it is left for you to choose between Ebube and United Ebelu.
I don't know why some people are enemies of progress. Yes, can you imagine? That Ebube of a boy is evil.
Now that we are enjoying peaceful coexistence, he wants to exclude himself.
Exclude now. Thank you. Now.
Well done, sir.
You have done well.
Please.
I will not tell anybody, please. Bring it out.
Listen. Bring it out!
Well, it's all in the interest of justice. Before a judge rules on a matter, you must hear all sides, have proof, have evidence. So it's all good.
Well, I just hope so.
Don't worry, my boy. Everything will be okay.
Mazi Amadiofo, so you fearlessly entered my compound. The compound of Ebube, the naked wire, to bury charms. Today, I will kill you. Please, don't kill me. Whether you kill me or not, I know I will definitely die. Sorry. Make sure no one sees this. If anyone sees it, you will die after 3 market days. Be careful. Akuma. Oh God. I always be careful and forever be. Good. Go well. Thank you. I'll confess. Yes, I am the one responsible of your parents' death. Bury this charm in front of his compound. Call his name 3 times. He will never return back to that compound alive again. And make sure no eye sees you while burying the charm. Else, it will boomerang and you will never leave to tell how it happened. Make sure nobody sees you, and as you are going, go with your cap on your head, red cap. Go. Okay. Honor. Osuji, this night you will die. This night, Osuji, you will die. Yes, let me know. Mbenabo, get working. mean you killed my parents and siblings?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I would have killed you myself. That would have made me so happy. But since you've taken your own life, I will let you go. Because the evil that men do lives with them. You now, take him out of here.
Put it up, come on! Move this man out of here! Bring it! Move it! What? Just...
Why do I thought of killing you? In fact, you are truly a naked wire.
My chest.
And what are you people doing in my father's compound?
Ebube, we are here to collect your EDC levy.
Now I know that you people are the most stupid people that exist. Eh? I am Ebube, the naked wire. The one you and your people excommunicated. Now you are in my compound to collect money. Can you listen to yourself?
Scar, disconnect all the wires in this house.
Anyone that touches any wire in this compound will jam naked wire.
Ebube, what is going on here?
Will you take yourselves out of this compound before I take you out of the land of the living?
What are you people doing here?
Knuckle.
EDC, NEPA workers. No, come and collect money now. You excommunicated me. You still want to come and collect money from somebody you excommunicated. How sensible are you? Nonsense people. Let me see you people here again. Yala. Good day, Connor.
Good day, sir.
That's good then. What are you here for?
Sir, we are here to collect your EEDC levy.
Where is Imadandi? He wouldn't set a foot in my premises. So he sent you to come and die. Right? All right. I'm coming to give you your levy.
He said we will die.
He go pay.
He go pay now.
We don't come, we don't come over here.
Fall back.
Why are you running? Why are you running? It's not that you want to collect.
What is happening? Another python dance. Another python dance. Hey. Didn't you hear the sound of the gunshot? Come, let's go. I don't know what this village is. We need to come.
Tell him, Andy, I'm looking out for him.
Dad, what's going on? I had a gunshot.
That's okay. Go back inside.
Dad.
Go back inside.
Number one, Commander.
Mother, what's in the soft now? What be you again, no?
Huh? See that man light for air. Where be so we supposed to light give her back? You see man no light? And no be so we no carry gun. Commander, what's in the soap now?
See, I want all of you to listen. Listen to me, all of you. I did not make myself a leader. God made me a leader. And the God that made me a leader have his reasons. Look, I can never ever think like you people. That is why I am a leader. You understand? I want you all to remember one saying that goes like this. He who fights and runs away lives to fight another day.
But for don't light one, give
Shut up and they talk to you.
Sorry, boss.
He may be retired, but once a colonel, always a colonel. Like say I give you a command, say, oh yeah, as this man not they shoot for up, so no na fire. Nobody this one will talk so now. He no go take 5 minutes. Soldiers go take over this whole community. Both person don't know about Amo and person don't know about what happened, they go pack everybody. No!
True.
Una no dey get the picture. This man get game plan. Colonel OBDK retired. Get game plan. He want to play into a game. Because at the end of the day, if we that's a plan, if we enter him, whatever he tells people, they will believe him because he's a retired colonel. They no colonel whether they first shoot or I be no first shoot by that time. All these things have sense. Now make me talk to make nobody do anything, say will come out there. But problem no day. There's no problem. Remember I have a meeting tomorrow with Mazi Amadiugu. I will go to the elder. I will tell him everything that happened. From there we proceed. They will know our next line of action. But for now, I beg you for now, that event will happen. Make all of them forget that. Now you hear me? More they go.
Commander, I'm hungry. Commander.
What's the worry? What's the worry, Chris? What's the worry you now?
I'm hungry now.
I was about sending for you. The kind of gunshot I had yesterday in this community. I've never had such since I was born. Mazi, it was a terrible experience. It was a very, very terrible experience. See, if not for my leadership, if not for my leadership smartness and qualities, by now, this whole village would have been on fire. Yes. Is it not that stupid man that calls himself retired Colonel OBDK? Now, let me explain what happened to you, Mazi. My boys and I went to meet Ebube to collect the EEDC levy as directed by the elders of the community. He insisted that he wasn't going to pay because he has been excommunicated from this village. I persisted, but he insisted on the fact that he has been excommunicated, as if that wasn't enough. As if that wasn't enough, Mazi. We went to OBDK's house to do the same. And before I knew it, he went into his room, brought out the gun and started shooting. Mazi, it was terrible. If not for my smartness, my leadership quality, and the way I think, by now, there would have been bloodshed all over, everywhere. You know, I told my boss that we should retreat. I didn't want to kill him. OBDK is too small for me to kill. I didn't want to kill OBDK. But I know it's about after killing him, the people will now say, why did you kill him? Why did you kill him? Yeah. That the vigilantes are doing bad job. What? Yes, sir. Anyway, we'll be having a meeting by coming 4 days. I will send for you the moment I'm back. No problem. Mazi, no problem. Noted. Noted. Mazi, one more thing. Myself and my boys, we are running out of bullets. So I would so much appreciate it if you can tell the villagers, the elders and everyone to contribute money. So after contributing, you now give the money to me so I can use it to acquire more bullets. Because from the look of things now in this village, delay is dangerous. There might be war. So we need to prepare. That's why I'm saying this. Okay. In that case, I've heard what you said. No I will get back to you. I beg to take my leave now. Baba.
People will not stop amazing me. Imagine coming to collect lady from people you say you have excommunicated.
Uncle, I wonder.
Anyway, I will wipe off all of them.
They are really biting more than they can chew.
Leave that to me.
No, uncle. This is our fight. I am now a naked warrior.
You are not. Leave that to me. You cannot take the laws into your hands.
OBDK and the Ebube are now thorns on our flesh. How can we be paying for EEDC light and these people are enjoying the light free of charge without paying a dime?
This is a cheating of the highest dimension. We can't take such. Never.
The wire should be disconnected.
And it should be done in their absence. Maybe we shall see them in court, in the court sitting.
I think I support that.
Yeah.
I support that.
On that note, we shall cut their light. And whatever is the consequences, we shall bear it together with them.
Yes. We are strongly behind them.
Finally.
We are in it together. Yes.
Finally. On the day of the court ruling, every one of us here must be present in that court.
Bam, bam.
Tomorrow is the last sitting in court. And all of you must be in court.
Yes.
Wham. Every one of you must be in court.
It is very, very vital. And we must triumph.
The collective team, all of us must not exclude ourselves. I just hope they will pass the judgment tomorrow, so that we will commence our project, because you are wasting time.
Yes. Yes. I wonder why there is always an impediment when good things are said to happen.
Yes.
Hey, can you imagine?
See, all I know is that they will surely fall.
Yes.
They will fail on this one. And we will commence with our project. There must be no interruption.
Yes. United we stand.
Divided we fall. Who is that boy? One banshee.
Hey, can you imagine? Every time
Imagine.
That is what we want you to do. It is our collective responsibilities. Mazamadigu, noted. Consider it done. And whatever the consequences are, we shall all bear it together.
Yes!
Because it is our fight. This fight is for the peaceful coexistence of all our people. Bam. It's our fight. Bam. Whoever says that is him, let it be him. And whoever that says that is not him, let him not be him. Because by the time that person says it's him, there might be misfiring. Mazi, people will die, yo. The gods of our land will be with you. It's Mazi Amadugu, no problem. Noted. Can I leave?
Commander, you know that be a Apollo woman wey collect shop near market. She talks in tomorrow. Now she go bring her security lady.
Good. Make sure say you collect the money. Collect my money. No go talk say because say they drink free pepper soup there. I hear story.
Commander, he dey friend the woman daughter. Commander.
How far?
A big consider don't come up for background. Nobody background again. Everywhere clear.
In soldier self, nobody else.
They don't come out.
They see you.
Nobody see me.
Nobody see you.
Nobody see me.
Yeah, more they go there. More they go. More they go.
You go feel say why is that, eh? I go. If I go touch her today.
How are you?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Are you not Madam Ijoma's daughter?
Yes, sir.
We are just coming for your place. I didn't meet your mom. Where is she?
She traveled, sir.
She traveled?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When she comes back, tell her that the vigilantes came to collect the EDC levy. She should get in touch immediately.
Okay, sir.
Okay? You've grown up, oh.
Yes, sir.
You're not a very big girl. Turn around, let me see. Turn around. I stand for my general. This is good. Keep it up, eh? I'll see you later.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Commander, I beg, give me this one.
You don't crazy? You don't get sense? 5-star general food, now you want shop?
What's it up? Shema, give you this one. See as your face be and see this girl. If people see the two of una, come ask say who join una, they talk saying na me. People no go talk say I be bad person. Eh? No worry, I'll go give you. I'll give you. No worry, just follow. I'll give you. Just follow me like. Don't just move. Just follow me like this. I'll go give you.
Oh, General, more press this guy now. Where you position?
Madam, how you doing now?
General.
Where your levy now?
Okay, sorry, sir. This is it.
Where you couple yourself now? Which one you dey shake?
All correct.
Okay.
All correct.
Thank you, sir.
How your husband?
He's fine.
He's fine, Abi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The vigilantes are always at your service.
No problem.
Any problem, just make I know, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much.
We have come to see your father, Nanya Bogidi.
Hey, blood of Jesus!
Who dey kill you? What you dey worry? You know they call that name for you. Who you fuck with now?
Sorry. Naya Bogidi, I greet you. As you are aware, a fierce battle has been going on in this community for some time. That is why I've come to see you with my boys for fortification. Naya Bogidi, please, help me. I want to be triumphant. I want to triumph in this battle. Please help me.
Nakwenu udena abuhanu oriri madundu mawuramu udena abuhanu oriri hasimu udena abuhanu oriri madundu mawuramu udena abuhanu oriri hasimu udena abuhanu oriri madundu maboranku udena abuhanu oriri. Vultures are not created for human consumption. Rather, as humans decay, vultures consume. When a greedy child eats the frog, he choicelessly forbids every meat. No matter how heavy the rain, the leopard never loses its sword. No matter how sluggish the chameleon, it can never be caught in emergency. When a child runs ahead of the masquerade, that child must run endlessly and in panic. And if the masquerade runs ahead of the child, that child will continue in panic, but must face unknown and unseen battle. I cannot help you.
I cannot help you. I am Abogidi, the great Abogidi, the ancient Dibi, the only Dibi of his kind in this part of the universe. I am the only Dibi that harms the harmful and harms not the harmless. I cannot help you.
Naya Abogidi. Naya Abogidi. Why? Why? Naya Abogidi, please. I so much believe in you. Please, help me. Whatever you want, I will give to you. Naya Abogidi, name your price. I will pay. Please, Naya.
How dare you dream of enticing the gods with money? The spirits and the human do not trade at the same market. Neither do they trade on the same path. Listen, when humans dispatch, the spirits and vulture take over the market. You are guilty. You are guilty of discrimination. You are guilty of discrimination. Guilty of discrimination. The law of attraction, the law of togetherness, the law of unity, the law of love you have gone against. And that same law, that same spirit, that same law operates here. That same law guides here. That same law protects here. I want to see you back immediately. Leave this sacred place, else you will get to know the difference between night and day, the difference between a cave and an ant-hill.
See, like say I did my house now, all this insult I forget her. You don't even get power.
If I slap you,
I swear.
If I slap you,
if I don't sacrifice you for this shrine, if I don't use you do sacrifice for this shrine, you don't believe.
Commander, now that Abogidi has refused to fortify us, what are we going to do about it?
Commander, I support what Escape just said now, because we can't go to anywhere without being fortified.
Both of you are stupid. Yes. Both of you are stupid for saying that. Is Abogidi the strongest native doctor in the world? Tell me. Was there any time they announced it that Abogidi is the strongest native doctor in the world? Why are people sounding like this? Listen, I am the leader of this vigilante group and I know what I do. You understand? I will get a better and stronger native doctor than 45 us before we go into this war. Please allow me to concentrate, please.
5-star general. What's your SKP and SCAR they talk? Not be bad thing, no. Oh, see, time not there again, no. Now make you just give me order, make a press call put for worry. More they go worry.
Let's see that worry. I don't want to hear that worry again. Please stop mentioning worry here. Okay? The last time I checked, I am the leader and I am still the leader of this group. It is my responsibility to make sure that you all are okay and safe. Please, the community is in my hand. I am the CSO of this community. So allow me to think because I know the right thing to do. And I can assure you all that we are going to win this war. Please.
Whatever the case, my own concern for us to win this war. Commander, whatever thing it takes for us to win, just come up with it. I always trust the decision because it's your decision that has been taking us all this while. But please, and please, whatever thing it will cost you to make sure that you are well protected to win this war, I'm in. Please, Commander.
Well, my own be say anywhere Commander dey, na there I dey because na very strong man. So na we are in there I dey.
When they don't use you to sound juju, you don't quiet your mouth.
Morning, sir.
I'm easy.
Can you imagine? Those fools came and disconnected my light while we were at the court.
They disconnected mine too, without any fear, knowing who I am.
What do we do now?
Leave that for me. Leave that for me.
No, Uncle. I am a big masquerade now. We will fight them together and win this battle together.
Listen to me. This is not your fight. Leave them to me.
And if I insist?
You cannot insist. It's my work. I'll teach them a bitter lesson. The Ebo transformer will be dismantled by me. And there will only be light in this community when I say so.
Now me be mad dandy. Now me be mad dandy. Now me take charge of this community. Nobody, I repeat, nobody fit take over me for this community. Now me the control.
Number one,
if they won't come, they come.
We mount you like Jesus Christ. Commander Alpha.
Commander, you what don't castle? Huh? Obedient on the class 110.
Shoot aside. Anywhere they see us, make them throw away us. Now the order be there to Commander.
Child. Obedient. Declare us wanted.
Wanted, throw away.
Make the fire us
anywhere aside.
Retired Colonel Obidike. You get sense. But me, Madandi, I get sense past you. The game just begin now. Make we see who go win. Hey! Come follow me. Come follow me.
One level.
SKP. All the area. Just take the place where I place you. Just stay there. They watchful. If you see any signal, call us immediately. You hear me? Mount there well. I don't want to hear story. Okay. See, all listen. I get reason why I keep SKP there. All of us, you know, they here. At times, if you look from saying that your enemy go pass, may go pass back or maybe backside. You get why? And maybe God may be leader of all now. I'm not telling you think as that they think. You understand? Let me be leader. Now all of us know here in the outskirts of the village. Now this is how they here be this. We could see they know what we go do. But for now, I want reason. Make us think the way out. So they say no me say we don't see for make everybody there at lot. Anyway they pass someone attack them. You. This your class. I buy for you, never use them. You go use them today. If na head you cut a behind, use them.
I really feel so sad that my uncle Obidike doesn't want me to fight for myself like a man. Now I regret not being a soldier. If I was a soldier like him, I would have had a license to kill. Well, there is a reason for everything.
No now. You're not supposed to be me, Mad Dandy. No now. For what? Why go be me? Let me be Mad Dandy. Let me get this community. Why go call the run for my community? No, I'm going to chase me from my community. Community that get papa, when my papa build house. I can't run leave my house because I'm waiting.
I don't fear whether na you again.
No, now, it don't be possible. Oh. If war be war, make it be war.
Yes, now.
Anything will happen, make it happen. The man that did not leave this community for anybody. It's not possible. What did they happen, sir? And go back. And the enter community, it will happen, make it happen.
They know burn them well.
SKP, you hear me? Your position where I put you so. When they go somewhere now, I'll pick you. God, they kill your papa. You're mad. You're crazy. So I have a voice loud, so you don't hear me. You don't slap me from the phone, you're mad. I said, make it different where I position you. When they come for where they come pick you now, they go somewhere. You hear me? Hey, but listen. Go 45, go come up. So when the war goes, I make the war start. Go now, go there for the community. And I make people go remain. Go say, go giddy.
Boss, this is one of their place. This is where they normally stay.
Okay, so where else do we go?
Boss, let me take you there.
is the second missing point.
Doesn't look like there's an activity there.
Because I think they have an informant.
No problem. They want to disconnect my light. I will teach them what military officers do to civilians who don't live by the law. Let's go. You sent them to disconnect my light, and you said nothing will happen.
What did you get? I was at the court now. How would I have disconnected your lights?
Don't tell me that. Let me shock you. I have dismantled the transformer of Abel Village, and nobody here will enjoy life until I say decide otherwise. And for that, Ibadan, wherever I see him, okay. If I don't find him, I'll come and delete you. Say, those are the things. I wonder where they hide.
So they knew we were coming, so they took to their heels on time.
They can run, but they can't hide. Even if they like, let them run back to the mother's womb. We'll catch them, I'll deal with them mercilessly.
Boss, they deserve no mercy.
And I'll show them no mercy when we catch them. They will know that they are fighting with the lion.
We'll keep fighting for them, boss.
And we'll find it. I'm fine. Try, boss.
Asị na aka tọsị, asị na were nye. Eziokwu ka ọ bụ na akpati logo na n'obi chere akụ. Ka bụ ọrụ ahụ. Madam, you and your boys are now fortified. This is the final stage of the fortification. Go and excel.
Sir.
Whosoever that touches you now touches the spirits.
Sir.
You now possess the power of the spirits.
Sir.
Go and I assure you, victory is yours.
Sir.
As you say, so shall it be.
Sir. Nayakuma,
Madam,
I appreciate you. And I assure you that we shall be back soon.
go and excel. Bring it here. Hey, come on there.
He threatened to come after me if he doesn't see any of these ones.
Wait, have you seen them? Have you seen them since or heard from them?
It's an empty threat.
He can't do anything. Tomorrow is final court sitting. He can't do anything.
Up to this moment as I speak to you, I have not set my eyes on them. I cannot tell whether they are still alive or not.
Tomorrow is the final judge. It's the final sitting of the court. And I want all of you to be present so that we can hear the final verdict of the judge to see if it will favor us or not.
Yes. What she said is right. Makana obu ezama ana hechi.
Yes. We are obliged to be there. Exactly. Yes. Do any of you have anything to say right now?
No.
Look up, look up, look up, look up, look at me, look at me. I'm not here to harm any of you.